that how we are designing that one, designing the combination circuit. Some certain steps will be there for designing the combination circuit. That is, so there are 4 steps. Clearly understand the 4 steps. We can design the combination circuit, any combination circuit. From the specification of that circuit, determine the required number of inputs and outputs and assign a symbol to each. So we need to identify what circuit we are designing. That we need to very clarified. From that circuit, how many number of inputs and how many number of outputs are required for that one, and what are the corresponding symbols for that input as well as output. First thing should be analyzed for a circuit for that one. What are the logic gates, what are the inputs, and what are the outputs. That's it. In a second one, the truth table. We need to define a truth table. It defines the relationship between that inputs and outputs. What truth table we are designing for that one particular combination circuit. What it tells that, it tells the relation between that input as well as an output. What input we are applying and what output we are getting. And the third one is we can simplify that Boolean expression after getting entire the truth table. So it is very easy, right? So the output may be either 0 or 1. Whenever the 1, the output will be the enter the Boolean expression. After getting that Boolean expression, you can design that designing logical diagram should be designed. These are the 4 phases could be designing any combinational circuit. Okay, got it? So we'll see one example how we are designing in a combination circuit. It is a code conversion example. I want to convert. This is the statement here. Example statement. I want to design a combination circuit to convert any binary code to binary code A to binary code B. I'm giving a one binary code A to binary code B. For example, say I want to convert binary code decimal to excess code 3. You know what is an excess code? Excess 3 code. You know what is a binary code, right? Binary code is 8421, right? The code is 8421. An excess 3 code, how we get an excess 3 code? We can get an excess 3 code. Simply we can add 3 to that binary code. We are getting the excess 3 code. So without doing such thing, so I can convert binary code BCD to excess 3 code decimal digit. So I want a circuit. Now circuit another cover. So first I need to understand what is a BCD and what is an excess 3. So this is what BCD. Here I am taking as a 4, 8, 4, 2, 1. How many inputs per required here? 8, 4, 2, 1, right? A, B, C, D, 8, 4, 2, 1. So 8, 4, 2, 1. So this is a BCD, right? So 0 to, why I am taking as 8 plus, this 8 plus 1, 9. So BCD means only 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 10 digits only you should be considered. Then you might ask a question, what about the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15? Those are all what? Those are all don't care.
2-digit numbers.
Those are all don't care conditions. We are not including this input BCD. Simply we are, if you open the textbook and see that the BCD, so it is what up to only 9 only, 0 to 9 only BCD numbers. So BCD addition is different from binary addition, right? So already you learn all the concept, right? So for example, 0, 0, 0, this BCD represents 0, right? What is the corresponding excess 3 code for this one? Simply you can add 3 to this 0, we'll get that corresponding excess 3. So 3 bits will be excess. So 0, 0, 1, 1. See, similarly 0, 0, 1, you can add, this is a 1, right? If you add, what will we get? 4. The output will be the 4. This is what 3, right? If you add 4, you will get what? You will get what? This is what? 3. 3 plus 8, 4, 2, 1, right? This is a 3. 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 3. 6. So 4 plus 2. This is the 6, right? Like that, we can add all the BCD to the 3. Then we are getting an output. So here the labels are for input BCD, ABCD for input, and output, the labels will be the W, X, Y as well as a Z, right? Got it? Now we need to design a combinational circuit. So one thing we clearly know for this example, We know the how many inputs, we know the how many outputs. Then the question, how can I get this output W? How can I get W? How can I get X? How can I get Y? How can I get Z? So already using corner map, we can easily find out what is a W, what is W equation, what is X equation, what is Y equation, and what is a Z equation, right? So how can I find that one? See, so straight away, so I'm minimizing this. So, okay, now it's clear. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is, for the truth table above we discussed for that. This is a W truth table. The W, how many inputs are there? There are 4 inputs, right? A, B, and C. So 2 power 4, that is total possible combinations will be 16 possible combinations. And wherever that in a W, so only I will discuss only for the W, not for that all. This is a difficult we are facing virtual class. So in a W, where I get 1, so at 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1, right? Now I'm going for the W. So wherever is getting 0 1 0 1, we place 1. 0 1 1 1, we place 1. So wherever that min terms is available 1, then we are placing here. Now, what about that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15? What is that? All are what? Don't care combinations, right?
Okay.
Okay, so this is what 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? And what about the 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and 15? These are all what we are not including. These are all don't care combinations, so that we are marked as include. Not only this one, you consider all. This is a W, this is X. This X also will having the 10 to 15 are the don't care combination. This Y is also having the 10 to 15, all are the don't care combination. This Z also will carry the 10 to 15, all are the don't care combinations. Now, using the corner map, we combine. So 16 is not possible, only the 8 will be the possible. You make it as a one group. And this can make it as a one group. So this is a what? And the common term only the A plus. So you can, this is one 4 combinations, right? This is one 4 combination. The common term here in this 2 is B. The common term in this 2 is D. So BD, this one BD. And this also will be formed as a 1 4 combinations, right? So now the common term here B, the common term here C, BC. Like that, we find an equation W equal to A plus BC plus BD. Similarly, applying for all X, Y as well as a Z, so that we are getting a Boolean expression. So first what we do, so we should analyze the problem, BCD to Excel. So what is an input and what is an output? From that output, using corner map, we are finding the Boolean equations we are finding. Now, once you find that Boolean equation, now designing the Boolean, that logical structure is very easy, right? So how can you design? So you can implement it. This is a W, right? This is a W, this is X, this Y, as well as this is Z. So these are the equations using corner map we are getting. Next, after this, we have to design a logical diagram. We have to design a logical diagram. See, we saw only for a W, right? What is a W? This is right. See, B as well as this is C plus T, like that. Whatever the required, you have using this, you are constructing a logical diagram W, X, Y as well as Z. Got it? Got it? Shall I repeat again? Any doubts? Okay. So you can get, so you might ask a question. The circuit diagram will be the exactly will be the same, like that you are asking. No, you can draw the W over here, W X Y Z you can draw. So you know that equation, Boolean equation, it makes it very easy to construct the logical diagram, right? So this is a logical diagram. Now straight away I can say that this is a combination circuit. How can I say it is a combination circuit? These are the inputs, right? These are the inputs, and these are all what? Logical gates. These are all W X Y Z are the outputs. So there is no memory element is there, so that it is a combination circuit. So whatever you can design your own circuit also, whatever the example given, you should be, the thing is you should be analyze what is an output, what is an what is an input and what is an output. Using corner map we find that Boolean expression. From that Boolean expression you design a circuit, logical circuit. So it's a simple one, right? So this is a design procedure for constructing a logical diagram for PC2 code. If you give input anything A, B, C, D, straight away, suppose A, B, C, D will are the input, right? Zero, suppose know this diagram and give, for example, 0, 0, 0, A, 0, B, 0, C, 0, D, 0. What is an output you will getting? W, X, Y, Z, right? 0, 0, 1, 1 you will get. That means W0, X0, Y1 as well as a Z1, right? We are expecting that output WX, YZ, G. So here 0, 0, 1, 1. So applying here 0, 0, oh, sorry. Suppose you give A equal to 0 right here, A equal to 0 and B equal to 0 and C equal to 0 and D equal to 0. So apply like this. This is 0, 0, entire this will be 0, right? Like this, this 0. And what about this 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 1, right? This 1 is applying over here. So 0 plus 1, you will getting a 1. So this y equal to 1, right? So that is an XS3 code, right? And similarly Z also will get 1. So you apply all zeros, definitely you will get X equal to 0. Here W also will get equal to 0. So this is what we constructed a combination circuit. It's a simple one.